The unsubscribe bug on YouTube. What is that? YouTube has not been all that helpful. They put out a video, but we didn't really get a good understanding of what is happening, only what they say is not happening. So here's what YouTube is actually admitting. If you are subscribed to more than 1,000 channels, then the subscribe button may behave inconsistently. So when you go to a video and, oh boy, you're not subscribed, the subscribe button is red. What do? Oh, I click on the subscribe button. Congratulations, you just unsubscribed. So this is possibly the explanation for all the losses of subscribers that the big YouTubers have seen over the last, quite a while. It may be something else, but this is one possible explanation. Maybe it's not just the people who are subscribed to 1,000 channels. Maybe it kicks in at a lower place. I don't know. There is also one bug on my iPad, the app there. If I go to the subscribe feed and then I click on one of those small balls that represent channels on the left, when I go in there, then I see the subscribe button. And if I were to click that, I would most assuredly unsubscribe myself, because if I click on the icon, the profile picture on the top there, then I go to the actual channel, and when I go there, I see that I am actually subscribed. So, I don't know. There is something going on, most likely one or several bugs. And I'm guessing that people are unsubscribing themselves because they think they are not subscribed. I'm Anna Elizabeth. Thank you for listening. I'll see you soon.